Students, how are you? Welcome to Mehdi English School. Myself Nilofer Miss, and you know this that my subject is mathematics. So let's start today's online session. And the one main thing is this online session is for the class 2. So I hope that you all are ready to attend this online classes, right? And I hope you will enjoy this classes. So, as you know this thing that before we start our lecture, we always see one quote. I'll show you one quote. Behind every good kid is a great mom. Your mom is a great because you are doing anything, she is there for you. If any problem will come, so your mom is there to solve it. Your mom is doing so many things for you. So behind every good kid is a great mom. Your mom is great for you, so always respect her. Okay, students? Now we are in the chapter number 10, and the name of this chapter is a measurement, right? So let's do revision of the previous lecture first, and then we'll move to the today's topic. So revision is a compulsory. Why I am doing revision every day of the previous lecture? Because if you think repeated, if you watch the thing again and again, you will remember it. You can't forget it. So revision is a compulsory. So please do revision of every lecture after complete it. So here is the revision of the previous topic. Let's do it first. So now students, the next worksheet of the meter, that estimating length. In the previous lecture, we had done the worksheet of the meter only, and today we also going to do the estimated length worksheet. If you read this, the heading is very compulsory to read. It is the main thing for all the worksheet. Estimating length, it means estimate the length to each object. Circle the answer that gives us best estimate. Now here is the book. So what will be the length of this book? It will be a 1 feet or 1 inch, 1 foot or 1 inch. What do you think? What is the length of this book? Can you imagine? Can you just estimate it? That what will be, what it should be. So my answer is a 1 foot. I think the length of this book is a 1 foot. Then the next one. Here is the door. You can see we all have a door in our house, right? We all have house. We are living in the house, and our house have a doors. So what will be the length of this door? 7 feet or 7 inches? What do you think? What will be the length? 7 feet or 7 inches? 7 inches, it means 7 centimeter or 7 feet. So what do you think? What it should be? It should be a 7 feet or it should be a 7 centimeter. It means the inches. What do you think about it? So the right answer is a 7 feet. What is the right answer? Right answer is a 7 feet. This one is the right answer. Then the next one is a mug. You all know, everyone's house, these types of mugs is there, right? You are drinking tea, coffee or something in these types of cup, right? Mug or cup, you can call it anything, tea cup or tea mug. Okay, so the height 3 feet or 3 inch. What do you think? What is the length of this mug? 3 feet or 3 inches? I am not drinking 3 feet length mug, right? Not that much tea we are drinking. So the length of the mug should be at 3 inches, not a 3 feet, right? Then a car. You can see in this picture there is a car is standing. So what should the length of this car is? 10 feet or 10 inch? It means the centimeter. What it should be? You have to think about it. 10 centimeter is a very small length. Very small length. And 10 feet is a equal to match with the height of the length of the car. So the right answer is a 10 feet. And the window you can see here. You all house have a window, right? So what the height of this window? It should be a 5 feet or it should be a 5 inches. It means the centimeter. What it should be? So 5 feet or 5 inch. So student, 5 centimeter is a very small length, not that much length. Maybe it should be a 5 feet, but not it should be a 5 inches, 5 centimeter. Not as much short the window is. So the right answer is a 5 feet. Okay. Then a ball. You all are playing with these types of ball. Because nowadays it's a lockdown. You are not coming to school. You are attending your lectures online. Right? You are not coming to school. So since a long time you are at your home. You are not coming to school. So you are playing too much, right? You just got a great time to play, right? So you are playing with these types of ball. So what do you think? What is the length of this ball? 4 feet or 4 inch? It means the centimeter. So what do you think about the ball? It is 4 feet long or 4 inches long? What do you think? It should be a 4 inches long, not a 4 feet long. So students, my dear students, I hope you get the proper idea about these types of worksheet or these types of questions will ask in the exams. You can measure the length of the proper thing. So that's why I'll show you these types of worksheet so you will be easily understood how you can measure the thing in what, in feet, in meter, in centimeter, in what. So this way you can measure the things. Now here one more exercise for you. And here is the item. It means the paper pin. Which pin it is? It is the paper pin. So here estimate. It means you have to guess that what the length it should be, an actual length. Here you have to just imagine that it should be this much length, but actually how much the length of this paper clip is. So here is a paper clip. Okay, so I think, suppose I am not say you that it is 3 centimeter long or 4 centimeter long. We are just guessing it. It should be this much long. So estimated length for this paper clip is a 3 centimeter. I think this is 3 centimeter long. But the actual length of this paper clip is a 2 centimeter. Okay. Now here is the pencil. So what do you think? How much long it is? What is the length of this pencil is? Can you have any idea? Can you imagine? You have to just guess of it. Not a correct answer I want. I just want a just imagination, just estimated length. So it should be a 4 centimeter long, I think. Not a proper answer I am saying to you. Suppose it should be a 4 centimeter long. But the right answer is a 6 centimeter long. Your pencil is a 6 centimeter long. Everyone's pencil is a different length. Because someone's pencil is a new, without sharpener, someone is too much using, they are doing the sharpener with the pencil, so its length become short. So everyone's pencil is the same length. Everyone's answer become different. Understood these things, students? Now the comb, hair comb that you all are using to comb your hair, right? So what do you think, students? What the estimated length of this comb, hair comb? What do you think? I think the comb is 4 centimeter long. What do I think? This is my thinking. You have to write down your thinking. You can choose the different things except this only. You can write down anything. Whichever you can see around your home, around you. You can take anything and you can just try to measure it, how much long the thing is. You can take anything to measure. Here I am just taking some things. For example, now for homework, you have to make a list of these types of thing of 10 things you have to carry. You have to take 10 things and you have to just measure the length of this. Okay, now here is a comb and I think the length of this comb is a 4 centimeter long, but the right answer is a 5 centimeter long. How long the comb is? 5 centimeter. Then a spoon. I am taking the spoon. You all have spoon in your kitchen, right? So what is the estimated length of the spoon? So every spoon is not with the same length. Some is a long, some is a short. So everyone's answer should be different. Okay. So this is the just estimated length. It should be a 2 centimeter long, I think. But it is actually 3 centimeter long. This is just an answer. I am talking about the short spoon. You have a long spoon, so you have to just measure the length of it. That how long the spoon is. What is the length of the spoon is. Now the next one is a shoe. You all have shoe, right? You all are wearing the shoes. So you have to measure your length of the shoes. That how much long it is. So everyone's shoes is different size, not the shoes is the same size. Everyone's answer should be different, not it should be a same. So I think it is a 10 centimeter long, but actually it is a 12 centimeter long. I just repeat this sentence. Now we are talking about the key that you all have, right? You all are using the key. Not you students, but your parents have the scooter or any vehicle, right? So it starts with the key. Without the key, the scooter or the car or any vehicle will not start. So everyone's house key is must there. So you can measure the key also. So estimated length of the key is a 2 centimeter, but actually it is a 3 centimeter long. This way you have to measure the thing is. Okay students. So I hope you enjoy this thing. Now one more thing for you. The book. 1 feet or 1 inch. So the right answer is 1 feet. Then the ball. Sorry, not about the ball. About this person, this man. How much height? It means the length of this person is 6 feet or 6 inches. It means the centimeter. So person is not as much short as the 6 centimeter, right? So it should be a 6 feet only. 6 feet long the person is. The length of this person is a 6 feet long. Now the car is there. It is a 30 feet long or 30 centimeter long. So car is not as much short as the 30 centimeter, right? So it should be a 30 feet long. So the answer for this car is a 30 feet. The length of this car is. Now here is the ball. So two options we have, that a 6 centimeter and 6 feet. Two options we have. So what do you think? How long? What is the length of this ball is? It should be a 6 centimeter. It means the inches or 6 feet. So ball is not as much long as the 6 feet, right? So the estimated length for this ball is a 6 inches. It means the 6 centimeter. Not as much the 6 feet long the ball is. Okay. Now the door is there. You can see here the picture of the door. You can see here. So what should be the length of the door is 7 feet or 7 inches? What do you think? What the length of this door? 7 feet or 7 inches? Inches, it means the centimeter, the too short length. The too much short length of this door is. So what do you think? It is a 7 feet or it should be a 7 centimeter? What do you think, students? So the right answer is a 7 feet, because door is too much long. The 6 feet person can easily come through the door. So door should be a more than 6 feet, right? So door should be a 7 feet long. Now the mug. Again this will come. Now in this picture you can see the hot tea is inside the cup, right? And steam is outside. It's also coming from the cup. So 3 inch and 3 feet. 2 options is given. So you have to choose the correct option. That 3 feet long the cup is or 3 inches long the cup is. What the correct length, estimated length of this cup is. So it should not be a 3 feet long. So the answer is a 3 inches. It means the 3 centimeter long it should be. So this one is the right answer, students. Now the object is there. This is the mobile phone. And my guessing is a 4 centimeter long. The mobile phone is. What is the exact 4 centimeter? It should be. Then the real length is a 5 centimeter. Now others, the water bottle, the eraser, the bag and the sofa. You have to complete this in a homework. This is the homework for you, students. You have to complete this worksheet into your homework. We will complete in the next lecture, but before. So revision is complete now of the previous topic, right, students? So let's start the today's topic. In the previous lecture I told you that you have to complete this by yourself as a homework, right? So this is the object and you have to guess the length of this object. You have to measure the length of this object. Here you can see this is the mobile phone, right? And approx length of this mobile phone is 4 centimeter. What is the length? Approx it is a 4 centimeter. But whenever you measure the length with the help of ruler, so actually it is 5 centimeter long phone. Understood this thing? Now the next one is a water bottle. All have different size of water bottle. Some students have a short, some students have a long water bottle, right? Everyone's bottle's size is a different. It not may be a same. So if you guess that how long the water bottle is, so the answer is, I think this is the 5 centimeter long. I am talking about the my bottle. Here in the picture, the given picture of the bottle is, we are talking about this bottle only. So I think approx the length of this water bottle is a 5 centimeter, but real, whenever I measure it, it is a 8 centimeter long. How long it is? It is a 8 centimeter long. Now the next one is, what do you think? This is the eraser. What is the object is? This is the eraser. So eraser's length is also different. All have different erasers, right? Some have used erasers, some have unused, and size is different by the companies also, right? Some have Dom's eraser, Nataraj's eraser, right? This way the eraser may be with the different length. So approx you think that how long the eraser is? Maybe it is a 4 centimeter long. I am talking about the normal eraser. Your answer should be different, not as my answer. Okay, so it is maybe a 4 centimeter long, and actually it is a 6 centimeter long. I am talking about the long eraser, right? So it is a 6 centimeter long eraser. Now next one is a school bag. It is also a different thing. All have a different types of school bag. Some have a small school bag. Some have a long school bag, right? So maybe different, you all are different student, right? You all have a different types of bag. So the length is not the same, right? Your answer should be different. Not you have a same type of bags and the length will be a same, right? So approx, I think it is a 10 centimeter long. This is just an example. But really it is a 15 centimeter long. How long it is? If you measure it, so it is a 15 centimeter long. Then a sofa. Here you can see in the picture, the next picture is of a sofa. Okay. So what is the length of this sofa is? So I think this is the 20 centimeter long. This is just a approx length. Just guessing. But actually it is a 40 centimeter long. How long the sofa is? The actual length is, the real length is the 40 centimeter. Now today let's start the textbook exercise. What you are waiting for, right? So today our topic is the exercise 10A from the textbook. What we are taking here? The textbook exercise 10A. So please give the heading in the fair book that exercise 10A in the new page. I repeat this thing that please write down this exercise 10A. Give the heading on the new page. If you are using the half page, don't write in the another half page. Just start writing with the new page and give the heading with some big handwriting. That exercise 10A. This way you have to give the heading exercise 10A. Now the question number 1 we are taking. What we are taking here? Let's start the question number 1. And you have to write down question number 1 and then start writing the heading of this question. Use a centimeter ruler to measure the length of each of the following. Some pictures is given in the textbook. If you have textbook, then open the exercise 10A and see the question number 1 is there, and this is the heading of this question. And this is compulsory to you all to write down this heading in the fair book. I read it. Use a centimeter ruler to measure the length of each of the following. Whenever you watch the video, you pause here just and then write down this instruction first, exercise 10A, and question number 1, and then just give the heading. This is fully heading, you have to note down. That is compulsory to you all. Now after completing this, let's move to the exercise 10A. Here you can see, I'll show you the picture. See question number 1. This is your textbook page, students. Here is question number 1 as I show you first. This is exercise 10A. Here is the question number 1 and here is the heading. Use a centimeter ruler to measure the length of each of the following. So here is question number A and here is the ruler. You can draw it very easily. This is just a rectangle and there is no need to draw a fish. You can draw a square or any circle or any object that is easy to draw. You can draw anything you like, but you have to maintain this length 0 to 3. How long the fish is? If you have a textbook, students, so please write down the length of this fish. I'll show you by zooming it so you can see how long the fish is. Can you see? You have to start measuring with the 0 and at the end point is the 3 centimeter, right? So what is the length of this fish is? The fish is 3 centimeter long. The centimeter is already written, so no need to write a centimeter, but in the fair book you have to write down this cm. And the full form of this cm is the centimeter. What is the full form of this? The full form of this 3 and then cm, it is a centimeter. You can read this as the length of this given fish is a 3 centimeter long. What is a 3 centimeter long? Then a butterfly. I'll show you by zooming it. Here is number B. You can see here, this is the number B. This is the butterfly picture, and you have to start measuring the length of this butterfly with the 0. I repeat this thing again and again. You have to start measuring with 0. And how long the butterfly? Here is the 1 centimeter. This is the 2 centimeter. Here is 3, then 4, then 5, and then a 6. So the butterfly is a 6 centimeter long. How long the butterfly is? The length of this butterfly is a 6 centimeter. Okay, so you have to write down here 6 centimeter. You can see I write here, and cm is already written. So this butterfly is a 6 centimeter long. How long it is? The butterfly is a 6 centimeter long. Now question number C is, here is an insect, right? This is the eel. So I'll show you this also. This is a caterpillar. What it is? It is a caterpillar. So here let's start measuring the length of this caterpillar with the 0 number, with the 0 size. Okay. So here the length of this caterpillar with the 0, let's start measuring with 0. And how long the caterpillar is? You can see here the dotted line is end at the 7, right? So the caterpillar as long as the 7 centimeter. So what we can write down here? We can write down here 7. Here you can see the 7. So the length of this caterpillar is a 7 centimeter. So you have to complete this exercise into the fair book, and this is compulsory for you all to complete this exercise into the fair book. This is the textbook exercise, students. So please write down this textbook exercise into the fair book. Now the question number 2 of the exercise 10A. So I hope that question number 1 is complete. So let's move to the exercise 10A and the question number 2. Please give the heading on the new page. On which page you have to note down this? On the new page, give the heading that exercise 10A and the question number 2. Please give this heading exercise 10A and the question number 2. Just give the heading, how long are ribbons? This is the instruction. What to do in the question number 2? This is the instruction. So it is compulsory to write exercise 10A. Then the question number 2 of it we completed in the before. Just now we completed the question number 1. Here is the question number 2. And this is the instruction, and it is compulsory to write, how long are ribbons? Circle the closest answer. Do not use your ruler. In this question, we are not use our ruler to measure the length. So this is compulsory to write this instruction, and please I request to you all to write down this question number 2 on the new page of your fair book. I hope you note down all the worksheets, all the examples which I show you in the video. You note down in the fair book, and that is compulsory for you all. So this is the question number 2, and here is the instruction for it. So I hope you all already written down it. Whenever you watch the video and you just not complete it, so just pause the video and then write down this instruction. That's why I hold this screen here, because some of the students are slow writers, so they are writing still now. Now let's move to the next. So here is the question number 2. As I told you, exercise 10A, and the question number 2 is here. How long are these ribbons? Then put a question mark. Circle the closest answer. Do not use your ruler then check with your ruler. First of all, you are not using your ruler, but after you are choosing your answer, then you can measure the length with the ruler. Use your finger to estimate. Here is the question number A. I'll show you this ribbon first. See this. This is the ribbon number A. So 3 option is given. About 1 centimeter. The length of this given ribbon is about 1 centimeter, about 4 centimeter, or about 10 centimeter. You have to choose the correct answer, the nearest answer. It is 1 centimeter long. I don't think so. This is 1 centimeter long. Then it is 4 centimeter or 10 centimeter long. What do you think? Yes, the nearest answer is about a 4 centimeter. So you have to just circle on this answer. Then number B. I'll show you this. So here is the ribbon. You can see now. So the option is about 10 centimeter, about 20 centimeter, or about a 2 centimeter. How long the ribbon is? What do you think? 10 centimeter is too length, 20 is too long, and the 2 centimeter. So the nearest answer is a 2 centimeter. So you have to put circle on the 2 centimeter. Then number C. What do you think? It is about 8 centimeter, 20 centimeter, or 3 centimeter. What do you think? What is the answer? I think the real correct answer is 8 centimeter. It is about the 8 centimeter long. Now the next number D is about 12 centimeter, about 5 centimeter, or about 50 centimeter. From this given 3 options, you have to choose the correct answer. And the right answer is 12 centimeter, I think. So you have to note down this into the fair book and write down one time into the rough book. So please complete your work into the fair book and into the rough book. We'll go for the new topic in the new lecture. Now, thank you so much students for watching this video. Please complete your work as I given in the video. So please write down the homework. Let's meet in the next lecture. So bye bye students.